All right, language explorers. Let's look at this week's Friday idiom. So, a long shot. Here we are, he's taking a shot. A long shot. Yeah, it has a small chance of happening. Yeah, something that has a small chance. Like really small chance of happening. Not very likely. Not very likely to happen. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Not very likely. Yeah. So hitting the deadline is a long shot. Yeah. He is running out of time, and it is a long shot that he will finish on time. Yeah. It is a long shot that they will be here tomorrow. Yeah, it's not likely. A low chance. Yeah, a low chance because it's so far away. A long. It's not likely to hit it. Not likely. Yeah. So. Being there on time is a long shot, but I will still try. Yeah, it is a long shot, but I will do it anyway. I will give it a chance, even though it is a long shot. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. I'm gonna do it anyway. I'll do it anyway. Right, so either of these choices is a long shot. Either one of these has a small chance of winning. Doesn't matter which one. What can we do? Both of these are a long shot. What can we do? It's a long shot. Option A, option B. They both have a slim chance of winning. But what can we do? What can we do? Okay, right. I'll have to think carefully and decide. I will. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Right. So long shot, yeah. It is a long shot. It is a long shot for him because he might not hit his target. Yeah. Low chance. How cool is that? So, can you use long shot in a sentence? Can you write the sentence in the comments below and like the video and subscribe to the channel? Yeah. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian and Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, Adrian Nanchev on Udemy and English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.